This is a protein shake by Nurri in the flavor Mocha Milk Shake. I've had this for like at least a month and a half, and I kind of forgot about it until I was cleaning out the fridge the other day, and I was like, oh my gosh, I still need to do this review. So I already did the vanilla milkshake, the strawberry milkshake, and I think the chocolate milkshake. I think they're all called milkshakes if I'm not mistaken. Here are the ingredients, the nutrition facts. It smells pretty good. Let's try it. I really like this one. I think this might be like my favorite one. Yeah. So the mocha flavor isn't too strong. It's not like too fatty, too chocolatey, too milky, too sweet. It's like perfect to me. You know how like some mocha flavors can be like too intensely like coffee tasting or like bitter or like roasted beans? I don't really like that. Like literally this can be gone in like a minute. Like that's how good it is. This is so good. I'm so upset I didn't try it earlier. I'm trying so hard to not like gleek because it's like, you know, it tastes like a milkshake, so it is like a little rich tasting, but I can't wait to stock up on these. I love this one. Definitely adding to the rotation, especially when I'm on the go. If you haven't tried Nurri and you like milk or milkshakes or ice cream, definitely try them out. They're worth having in your rotation if you like that type of flavor profile. Bye. Thank you guys for watching.